Okay, welcome again to my channel. Remember, you're still learning with Mr. K, and this time we want to look at the blocks from the sound blocks, just one or two of them. We're going to look at blocks from looks and also look at blocks from motion, and our trigger is still going to be when the green flag is clicked. Okay, so we're just going to look at this, and we want to make the sprite to just move to glide through some positions, and at the end it will say what? Something, and make a sound. Okay, so how do we do that? First, we're bringing in the trigger, which is the when the green flag is clicked block. Okay, then we go to motion and get the block that says glide for 1 second, and this is the position, this is the position. Remember, I've explained this positioning for you before, and this time around we want it to go to X 170, okay, and go to Y 70. Okay, then we'll bring another one again because I want it to go and at the same time it also come back. So we'll go back again to glide. It's going to glide for 1 second, and this time around, remember, it has gone. For it to come back, it's going to be a negative number, 170, and again it's going to be a negative number, minus 70. Okay, so the next thing we're going to look at is this. When it has finished its journey, you need to say something. Maybe say, I am back. Say something, I am back. Okay, so I will just take it, I am back. Alright, just say that for 2 seconds. Then the next thing we're going to do is that we're going to bring in a block from the sound, so that after going and coming back, it's going to say something. It's going to make a sound like meow. Okay, so let's say play sound. They sound like meow, but you can actually get other sound if you want. But just this is okay. You just make a sound meow. That's the cat. Okay, that's what the sound of it makes. So let's look at what happens when we click on the green flag. Alright, I'm going to put my my speaker a bit loud so you can hear the sound. So I click on this, goes and comes back. Okay, so when it does that, it's going to make a sound, alright, which you just heard now. Thank you. In our next class, we'll be doing something again, something very interesting. Just keep watching this video. Make sure you don't stop. Make sure you watch the video to the end for you to get every bit of my lesson. Thank you for watching.